Donald Trump's $5 million Trump Gold Card visa proposal is shaking up discussions across the investing world, promising a new way for the ultra-wealthy to secure U.S. residency and eventual citizenship through direct investment. This plan is designed as an alternative to the existing EB-5 visa program, which requires foreign investors to commit $800,000 to $1.05 million, depending on the location of investment, and create or preserve at least 10 full-time jobs in the U.S. economy. However, Trump's proposal completely removes the job creation requirement, making it a straightforward transaction. Invest $5 million into the US, get a fast-tracked pathway to citizenship. This is being framed as an economic boost, aiming to attract high-net-worth individuals from countries like China, Russia, and the Middle East, while simultaneously generating a $1 trillion influx of capital to combat America's $33+ trillion national debt. Trump's team argues that if 1 million wealthy investors participate, the US could raise $5 trillion, funding everything from infrastructure to military expansion, while positioning America as the ultimate destination for global elite investors. But is this a golden opportunity for the economy or just an elite shortcut to citizenship? Investors, economists, and political analysts are all weighing in on whether this plan is a smart financial move or a controversial pay-to-play scheme that could reshape global wealth migration. From an investor's perspective, this proposal could have monumental effects on financial markets, real estate, and capital allocation strategies worldwide. If implemented, the Trump Gold Card visa could create one of the biggest wealth migration trends in history, as billionaires and multimillionaires seek U.S. residency as a financial hedge. Many high-net-worth individuals view American citizenship as an asset, offering political stability, strong financial markets, tax advantages, and access to the world's most powerful economy. For those managing diversified portfolios, acquiring U.S. residency under this program could be seen as an investment in security, particularly for individuals in emerging markets or politically unstable regions where wealth is at greater risk due to government crackdowns, sanctions, or economic downturns. If the program goes forward, it could trigger a massive wave of demand for U.S. luxury real estate as wealthy investors funnel capital into properties to meet the $5 million threshold. Cities like New York, Los Angeles, Miami, and San Francisco could experience a property boom, with the premium real estate prices surging due to increased foreign investment. Similarly, hedge funds, venture capital firms, and private equity players may position themselves to capture a share of this influx by offering tailored investment vehicles that qualify applicants for the visa. This would create new opportunities in wealth management as firms cater to high-net-worth clients seeking to deploy capital efficiently under the program's guidelines. However, the plan also faces significant economic and legal challenges that could determine its feasibility and impact. One major concern is that by removing the job creation requirement, the proposal deviates from the fundamental purpose of investment-based immigration programs, which traditionally aim to stimulate employment and economic growth. Critics argue that under this new system, the US would simply be selling citizenship without ensuring any tangible benefits to American workers. The EB-5 program, despite its flaws, was designed to direct capital into job-creating ventures, whereas the Gold Card visa funnels money directly into the economy with no guarantee of employment impact. Additionally, there are legal and constitutional hurdles to consider. Changing US immigration policy on such a massive scale would typically require congressional approval, raising questions about whether Trump could unilaterally implement this program if re-elected. Constitutional scholars and legal experts expect lawsuits and pushback, which could stall or block the initiative entirely. Moreover, national security risks could arise if the program lacks strict due diligence processes to screen applicants. The existing EB-5 visa program has already faced scrutiny for cases where foreign investors with questionable backgrounds manage to secure residency. If the Trump Gold Card lacks proper vetting mechanisms, it could become a gateway for money laundering or geopolitical influence, allowing individuals from sanctioned sanctioned nations or illicit financial networks to gain a foothold in the US. From a geopolitical and economic strategy standpoint, the Trump Gold Card visa represents a radical shift in US immigration policy, prioritizing pure financial power over traditional merit-based systems. If successful, it could elevate America's status as the premier destination for global elite investors, further strengthening the US dollar as the world's dominant currency. Countries like Canada, the United Kingdom, and Portugal have similar investment for residency programs, but none require an amount as high as $5 million, making Trump's proposal one of the most expensive citizenship programs ever conceived. Ultimately, Trump's $5 million gold card visa is one of the most controversial and high-stakes immigration proposals in modern US history, with far-reaching implications for investors, financial markets, real estate, and the broader economy. If successfully implemented, it could trigger a new era of elite wealth migration, making American citizenship one of the most expensive assets on the global market. The program has the potential to reshape the US economy, creating booms in high-end real estate, financial services, and private investment funds, while also drawing scrutiny over its ethical, legal, and national security risks. Whether this plan is a bold economic breakthrough or an open door to unchecked foreign influence remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: this initiative could redefine the future of US immigration, global capital flows, and the role of America as the world's wealth magnet.